Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, excited as always, we're going to be doing a full review, demo, and unboxing of the July base BOXYCHARM box, which is the one with the red on the inside. So if you want to see all the goodies inside this month's box, all the details, and how they work, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So we're going to keep it short and sweet today on the intro. Let's jump right in. Okay, so I did pop the first item on off camera because it does take 20 minutes for it to apply, and I figured it would be better off for me to be able to talk about it after I've already actually used it. So, first out of the box is the theme card, and the theme of the month is BOXYCHARM Sunshine, which I honestly think is such a cool theme for July, totally on brand. The first item is from Grace and Stella. It is the Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks. It is 12 pairs. So I am already currently wearing them on my face, but they come in little tubes like this, individually packaged. When I opened it, it did leak all over my legs. So there is going to be a leak of the serum, so be careful with that. And other than that, they applied quite nicely. They have been on for about 15 minutes, and they are starting to sting a little bit. So I think I'm going to take them off. My one complaint so far is I keep having to go like this because they keep kind of falling down. I don't love that, they're constantly falling down. With the Wander Beauty baggage claims, those ones stick on and chill there 100%. They don't move or fall at all. These are a little more silicone-y, so they do. But that being said, my under eyes do feel nice and hydrated. I don't know if you guys will have seen from the intro, but I definitely feel a little less puffy and a little less wrinkly right now. So definitely energizing. I like how it looks. Those retail for $21, by the way. I don't know if I said that. The next item in the box retails for $135. It is the OneOne Skin NAC Y² Pollution Defense Booster. It is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. Looks like this. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. I love that. If you guys didn't know, my SPF does blue light defense as well, but blue light comes out of lights, fluorescent lights, computer screens, cell phones. So something to keep in mind is if you don't have blue light defense, your skin is actually not super protected. So I'm going to take this, the directions say 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand. So try not to put droppers directly on your face. And I'm just going to apply this to the face gently. Right away, I can tell you it is not sticky, it is not tacky. It applies very smooth, and there's no fragrance, not artificial or natural. It just doesn't smell like anything, which is honestly super preferred. I don't love when there's a huge scent in my skincare, but it does feel very nice. Now that I'm looking in the monitor a little bit more, my under eyes look really nice. So I do like the eye bag masks. What I will say though is them falling down, do it when you want to sit back and watch TV or something. I was doing it while I was starting to clean up my kitchen. So not entirely something if you're going to be walking around. And the next 3 items out of the box are makeup related. So I'm going to go jump off camera, put on the items I need so that I can showcase these. And I'll be right back to showcase the last items, or the next 3 items in the box. Alright, so I am back and ready for the next item. For my eyes today, I did use the Brow Bar by Rima Drama Queen palette. This is a BOXYCHARM premium product from this month, but since I did get 2 palettes in that video, which is coming on Friday, this is going up on Wednesday, I figured I would use one of the palettes in this video. So I did use this for a soft green moment, but I did want something a little lighter because there is a bold lip in this box. Anyway, I am going to link that video, or just go check out my channel on Friday, and you'll see my premium box, back to the base box. I did also forget to say, but this is variation number 1. I can't remember the last time I had variation number 1. Okay, next item out of the box is going to be from Hourglass. This is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Mine came in the shade Natural Black, which I am going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway because I do already have this product, and mine is in a different color. Mine is in the shade Ash. So I'm going to use this one instead, but I am going to use it on camera. since I have used this product before, I already know exactly how I feel about it. I think as far as brow pencils go, it is nice. It is a little bit of a firmer pencil. I know that there are people who like the Anastasia one because it's super creamy. But I find with that one, I go through so much product. Whereas with this one, I can just gently glide it through the brow, comb it to shape it, and then what I'll do is I will line the top of the brow and line under the brow. And that's it. It is a super easy pencil to work with. You guys know I don't love a super Instagram carved out brow. I like my brows to look a little bit more natural and a little bit softer. Like I'll go in with giant lashes, I'll go in with a bold lip. But as for brows, I definitely want a little bit more of a soft vibe. So like you can see, this looks very natural, but compared to the other one, you can tell I did something. And for me, that's all I'm looking for in a brow. All right, so like I said, this product is a hit for me, but in a different shade. I like ash because it's a little bit lighter. I don't like a bold, bold brow. So natural black, it could have worked for me in New York. Down in Florida, where I'm a little tanner and my hair's a little bit lighter, definitely going to stick to a different shade. Next item out of the box is going to be from Ace Beauty. Oh, I'm sorry, the Hourglass pencil retails for $28. Then from Ace Beauty, this is the $30 Blushed in Paradise palette. So it is 4 colors of blush, quite pretty. This is the Blushed in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much-loved Paradise collection. 4 shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color. So I don't even have bronzer on today. I think I'm going to possibly forego bronzer. We'll see. But I'm going to take a mixture of the 2 middle shades because lately I really like more of like a tangerine rosy color or like a mix, just to add a flush of color to the skin. I think that's really pretty. Don't neglect the temples or the bridge of the nose. So because I did go softer on the complexion, I am going to skip bronzer like I said I was, but I am going to throw on a little bit of highlight. So I'm going to jump back into that Brow Bar by Rima palette that is in the the premium box this month. And I'm just going to grab one of the highlighter shades and just add a little bit of glow to the cheeks. Just like that. And now that the skin is rosy and dewy and glowy, we're going to jump into the last product of the box. So this is from Ola Neon Cosmetics. This is a liquid lipstick. Retails for $17. These coveted liquid lipsticks have you covered with an all-day wear. Minimal touch-ups throughout the day means less worrying about smears, stained teeth, or wearing inner lip rings. Weird inner lip rings, like when you lose your lipstick there. This is in the shade The Easy Sell, which is a little bit of like a mauve-y, bricky red. Baby applicator. I'm going to get my mirror and get real close and throw this on. Okay, so formula-wise, it is super comfortable. Dries down nice and matte. There's a little bit of a shine because it's still a little wet, but it is drying down. It's not grabbing or pulling. It's not making my lips feel super dry. From a color standpoint, I definitely should have looked at the color before I chose to use a green eyeshadow because I'm not feeling the way this is working together. But that being said, it does feel very nice. You guys know I do prefer more of a glossy formula, so as far as that is concerned, definitely would have preferred more of a satin matte or something with a little more give to it. I'm not really a huge fan of matte liquid lipsticks nowadays, but it does look nice. I think if I was to look at like just, you can't see that, just the lip with the face, it looks really nice. I like the eyes with the face, but together, something about the eye with this lip is throwing me off. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Would you wear this lip with this eye? Because I don't think I would. So all in all, this box is a $25 retail price if you wanted to go out and order it. And it is a retail value of $231. So for $25, you're getting $231 worth of product. I love the blush palette. I love the skincare. The eye bags were hit or miss, or the eye masks, but my under eyes still look nice, so I have zero complaints about them for what they do. You just want to like sit back and relax. You don't want to be like walking around or doing things because they are going to start to slip and slide down. That being said, all in, this was a win for me. As far like even just the serum, which I think I'm going to really enjoy, is well worth the value of the box. So let me know down below what you are excited for. As always, leave a comment about what you're into as far as, do you love the product? Do you hate the product? You guys let me know. I love hearing your feedback. There is a link down below if you wanted to sign up for BOXYCHARM. I do always forget to tell you that, but I do have an affiliate link down below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!